how to fix GTA 5 please reboot problem isn't quick. This problem is easy. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to GTA V icon, right click on it, go to properties and then compatibility. Now just click change settings for all users and enable this option here. Here we'll find Windows 7. Click Windows 7 and click OK, and then here select run this program as an administrator and click OK. And after that, all you need to do, it's easy, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC just close all the applications that you don't need here, and then you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.